ROI4Presenter integration through Zapier. To use Zapier, you will need connect two supported apps using Zapier, set up rules for each Zap you create. For example, let's set up integration for every time a listener fills out a lead form. You will receive a notification about this event in your Gmail. Find and choose template. Log into ROI4Presenter. Click the test trigger. If the test is successful, the warning icon will change to a green checkmark. Authorize your account in the second service you want to connect. In this example, it is a Gmail account. In the field action, fill in the required data. Click test action. After that, a test email will be sent to your specified email address. Now you can enable Zap. Click publish. Your Zap is ready. Every time a listener fills out a lead form from any of your presentations configured in ROI4Presenter, you will receive a notification letter about this event in your Gmail inbox.